What's going on, guys? My name's James Gagliardi and this is Jimbo50 here, and today we're going to be unboxing the new GoPro Hero 7. Alright, so in the box what we have here is the floating hand grip, the head mount, and a few other accessories.
Let's open her up.
So I'd like to talk about the head attachment accessory. I think that it'll be highly useful, and it's nice that it came in the whole package with everything that you get from buying this at Costco versus like Best Buy or Amazon. Slides on nicely, just kind of just put it right on your head, and instantly the first thing that comes to my mind is that this is fairly comfortable. I don't see it being too annoying over a short period of time. If I was wearing it for a long duration of time, I could see it as being a little bit annoying, but it's really not that bad. It's really snug and secure to my head, so I don't see it moving around much, and I think that it would produce some steady footage.
That'd be the battery dying.
Yeah, sounds about right. It only came in the box with 9%.
Well, that's a pretty cool feature. I mean, you could have it, on your head, hands-free. You want to do a point of view video or reviewing a car, or even hiking or something like that, or doing a project by yourself. So you guys can do shots that way.
Yeah, see it being very useful.
Nice.
So
now, I like this thing. I like this, the floating hand grip.
Yeah, let's explore what that is next.
Floating hand grip is pretty cool because, the camera's waterproof, so you could take it, in the water if you're snorkeling or anything like that, and there's a tether that goes around your wrist, tighten that up. So even if you let it go, it'll stay on your wrist and it'll float. So this thing ain't going anywhere. And like I said before, it just clicks in. And now, how does it go in here, Jim?
Goes in there, and then got the little pin that slides in. Screw it in. You use this before you screw it in to kind of like adjust the angle you want it at. And then just screw it in nice and snug.
That's cool. If you're like exploring or snorkeling, like cave diving or something like that.
It's nice and sturdy.
You get some pretty cool
Wiggle it
shots.
back and forth. It's not moving anywhere.
Yeah.
It's staying nice and stable. I like it overall.
Good
I
grip,
think it's pretty
feel,
good. I can't wait
bounce.
to get it out there and really, test it, do some real world filming and whatnot, and put some clips out there on YouTube for you to see the difference, say, between my iPhone XS Max, which we're filming on right now, and the quality of video that this outputs.
I like how they make the camera itself waterproof, because the earlier models, it went into a case, which oftentimes I feel like would fail after a while.
And it's very bulky. I mean,
very bulky, and
this is nice and sleek compared to like other ones I've
Yeah.
seen, other friends that have had the previous models.
Here, so the first thing is, to be able to mount this thing anywhere, is you got to put it inside this case here. So that just slides in like that, close the door, and then you lock it. Boom, done. Now you can see all these pieces have something in common. You slide the camera right into the holder like that, boom, take your rod, put it in there, and you tighten it up, and it's good to go. Now all these have different applications. You have these kind, what am I saying? All right, so this one has a rubberized side, so this doesn't slip, anti-slip, but it's more of a clip. So you can clip this on to a band or something like that. These things have 3M adhesion tape, so you kind of stick it on something, leave it there, and it's done. The way you do this is through this little device, and this works like a little buckle, like a plastic buckle, like on a backpack or something. And so basically you'd mount the camera on here, then you open this rubber part up like this, and it allows these to spring like this. So then all you do is simple, you slide it in, and it clicks in like that, push her down like that, and you're good to go. Boom, done. Same thing goes on with the head mount. Put her in, don't forget your rod, put it in there, tighten it up, and you're good to go. And now what's cool about this is it's universal. So this click, what am I calling it? The buckle attachment goes onto this mount, goes onto this one over here, and this one, boom, waterproofed, it floats, it's not coming off of there, so it's good, it's nice.
So one of the advantages to this when it comes to video shooting is if you have a long day, you have the ability to bring multiple batteries and therefore not have any downtime waiting for your GoPro to charge. You just simply pop it out.
It's interesting they still do that. I feel like removable batteries are a thing of the past, but the cameras, you just got to have
that, but in this application, I think it's useful.
It's the way to go.
Because all you have to do, pull that battery out and that's it. You know, it's nice that you could just interchange an SD card and just have multiple SD cards throughout the day if you needed. It's just a, you know, very versatile shooting platform.
All right, guys, what I really like about this is we got a pretty large touchscreen display here. There's a lot of gestures. You could swipe and everything through different modes. Too many modes to go through right now. We will be doing a more detailed video on that later. But overall, I mean, it's a really clear picture to see what you're shooting. On the front, it gives you an actual timer. It tells you how much storage you have left and everything like that. So it's a pretty cool display while you're using it. You know, I know the old GoPros, they don't even have any sort of display. So I think this is pretty cool to have, especially touchscreen. It's really easy to use. You know, you got your capture button here and power down here. And I'm pretty sure we have the charging cable, and to charge the battery on this, you plug it right into the camera. So overall, it's pretty cool, nice feel to it. And I can't wait to drop it in a bucket of water and see if it's actually waterproof.
All right, so that concludes today's video. Join us for next time where we're going to be reviewing the GoPro, taking some real world footage and whatnot, comparing shots to say my iPhone XS Max to give you kind of like a reference point to really see how good it does in, you know, certain situations, say low light, medium, high light, and we'll go from there, exploring its wide shot capabilities and whatnot. So if you're new to the channel, please like, subscribe, and comment below, and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.